Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's gonna be emotional. It's gonna be a wild ride. But let's just get right into it. Here is GBP AUD recent price data 4-hour chart. This is all we need. And you see all the price movement, you know, it seems random, but it's creating levels as it moves. So we're trying to capitalize off these levels, you know. So we're going to get our rectangle. We're going to draw a level here that price is interacting with. And we see it's going up here. You see, we're not using the trend line for any kind of confirmation. It's just to illustrate that we're going up. You see, and then this is where the magic happens, is finding all these little levels, you know. Maybe adjust them. I got a text. You see right here. You could drop down to the hour. Oh, this is the 2-hour. You see, there it is. Boom. Hour. I mean, it's kind of ranging, but you could still capitalize because this still 60 pips, man. 60 pips. Psh, no. With the stop loss below these levels that you see, we always want our stop loss to be below. Since we're buying up, we're going to go long. You see, I called this one yesterday like this, but it came back and stopped out. If I were a little bit more patient, I would have waited for this level that we drew here to be tested, which means price is coming back to touch it. And, you know, at this level, we would have been in the clear. Notice how stop loss is below the level. Bullish, you know, profit target up here. 160 pips, 50 pips. It gives us a 3-to-1 pretty much. So for every 1 unit you're risking, you're going to gain 3. And that would have worked out very good. But I want you to notice, we went to the 4-hour. We created our little levels, you know, pinpointed this one, dropped to the hour. Hour of power. Tower of power. Remember them? Anyway. And then, you know, enter on 30 if you want. You see, after this candle formation right here, we know it was a deep pullback into this level, followed by this kind of price action. That's when we pull the trigger. So on MT4, there's a red line. I'll make a video about it. But here's where you set, you know, if price goes all the way down here, it'll take you out of the trade. 76101. You type that into your stop loss level, and you put your take profit up here, and it'll be these numbers. 178240. So that would have been an example of a winning trade, but I'm telling you, I got in here, I sent it out, and I didn't wait for this level here to be tested. It went deep and then came right back out. So that would have been... Okay, so let's go over a trade I did send, because it's fucking beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Okay, I'm in a low time frame. We'll go to the higher time frame. It created this level, you see? Boom, broke through it. It came and used it as support, and it took off, and we're in profit if you took that, because we got stopped out here when I sent out the alert, and then this one just went straight in. You see, just, you know, it's beautiful. What is this? A 3-to-1. I risked 1 to gain 3. I lost one unit here, and I gained 3 units here. So that puts us at positive 2 units, whatever that is, risk management. You know, it's beautiful. It worked out, and it's really literally the same principle. Levels, taking a trade with the trend going, you know, going up with our stop loss below previous levels of support in an uptrend because we're bullish. You know, price is telling us it's bullish. Same thing here. Although it was bearish, I just, you know, I just know it's gonna go up, and that's like an intuitive thing, because it already went too far down. You see, because it's what's gonna happen is that you see this perfect trend is gonna violate it, and take it. Liquidity builds up on certain levels, so that's how I was trading this one, but it was still the same. Look, level broke through, came back, gave us this kind of price action at this level. We committed on the 30-minute. We pinpointed that level. Stop loss below. Boom. Straight to target. Straight to. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. And I was in another trade from last week. I sent you those alerts. I don't have it documented here, you know, with the whole position thing, this thing, but I have it on my phone, and I think we're in it from like right here. I think we're in a sell right here. It's still dumping off, man. It's still dumping off. We're just gonna hold it. That's a long-term trade. So it seems that this is the high of last week. Anyway, I'll leave you with that. Remember that on MT4, there's a red line and a green line. So your red line's your stop loss, and it'll be the numbers indicated at the end of this red zone. And the take profit is indicated at the end of this green zone. So you just input the numbers, because we're going to get in at a certain, you know, level at a certain time. And yeah, man, success so far with my beta testing, my signals. I'm a signal provider now. Come join my group. I'm gonna make it signals Instagram. Now I'm gonna change the format, because in reality we should have 3 take profit levels. You know, and I'll alert you when to move your stop loss to break even and let it run for the long. You know, things like that. It's just the way I had it going was real basic and real simple, but I'm trying to get more intricate with it. You know, here's a Head and Shoulders, if you must know what formation that is. Where's it at? Where the fuck? I don't know. Anyway, I'll leave you with that. If you have any questions, send them over, and I'll address all of them. Next video I'm going to put out, I'm going to bring up the notes, and I'm going to put up the trading plan and risk management all in one sheet, simple to follow, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So I'll leave you with that. All right.